Hi everyone, Mrs. Paglione here. Just going to go through this formative assessment with you. So the first one is percent of change. So the big thing about percent of change is you actually have to go through and find the change. So you have to subtract these two numbers. So 45 minus 30 over the original, which is 30, then times 100. So that gives me 15 over 30 times 100. And when you put that in your calculator, you want to do 15 divided by 30, then times it by 100. So I end up getting 50%. Since it goes from 30 to 45 birds, that means it's increasing. So I have an increase in the amount of birds that I have. All right, next one. So I'm going to subtract these two over the original, which is the first one, which is 15, then times 100. So go ahead and subtract those two. It's going to give me 3 out of 15 times 100. Make sure you do 3 divided by 15 times 100. So don't use those ABC buttons to make fractions. And you get 20%. And once again, we're increasing. So from 15 to 18, I'm increasing in the amount of feet that I have. All right, let's look at the next one. So subtract them again. So I'm going to do 60 minus 38 over the original, which is actually a bigger number now, times 100. So 60 minus 38 gives me 22 over 60 times 100. So 22 divided by 60 times 100. So when I do that, I'm actually getting a repeating decimal. So 36.6% repeating, but I believe the directions say round to the nearest whole percent. So I'm going to round that up to 37%. And that's a decrease. All right, so that's decreasing there when you're going from 60 down to 38. All right, we've got a local store here. We've got running shoes. The cost is $68, but they mark it up to 119. What's the percent of increase? So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to subtract these because I want the percent of change. And then over the original is 68. It's the lesser amount of the price because they're marking it up. So that's going to be, and then times 100. So that's going to be 51 out of 68 times 100. So 51 divided by 68 times 100 gives me 75%. And it's a 75% increase in the price. All right, last year backgammon had 30 members. This year we've got 24, so it looks like the members went down. I guess it's not very popular anymore, not getting less popular. Find the percent of decrease. So change means I'm going to subtract these two over the original. The original is the bigger number because there was more people. Then times 100. So that's going to give me 6 over 30 times 100. So 6 divided by 30 times 100 gives me 20%. And it's a 20% decrease in the enrollment. Next one, sales tax tip and markup. So all the T's and markup. So if you remember, for these, I said the T's, the tip, and the tax. T looks like a plus sign. So you're going to be adding those together, and then markup is also included. So they're two-step process. The first thing you want to do is you want to multiply by the percent, and you can multiply by the percent using the percent button in your calculator, 7%, or you could change it into a decimal, which would be 0.07. Multiply those together, and you should get $1.26. So that's what my tax is. Then I'm adding those together. So I'm taking my $18 and my $1.26 for my tax and adding those together, it gives me my total, which is what they wanted, of $19.26. All right, looking at the next one, it's $14 times my tip, another T. You can write it as 20% in your calculator, or you can create it into a decimal, which would be 0.20. Gives me $2.80. Don't forget about that extra zero that's there. I know the calculator doesn't have that zero, but that's only because the calculator doesn't know we're talking about money. So add those two together. It's going to be $14 plus $2.80. So together that's $16.80. Once again, make sure you have that extra zero there. That part's important. All right, markup, it's not a T, but we're still adding. So we're taking the $40 and we're multiplying by 30%. Remember, you can write 30 and then hit the second button and the left parenthesis to get a percent symbol, or you could just write it as a decimal in your calculator and multiply them. And you should get $12. So mark up means I'm increasing the price. So once again, I'm going to add those together. $40 plus $12 gives me $52 as my answer. Last one here, I've got a $39 pizza and I'm going to give a 15% tip. So if you multiply by the decimal, it's 0.15. So I've got a tip of $5.85. So when I'm adding those together, $39 plus $5.85 gives me my grand total of $44.85. All right, the Smith family. So the Smith family went out to dinner and their meal was $72 and they have 6% sales tax to pay and 20% tip. So we're going to add all those things together to get our total. So let's start with the sales tax. So I'm going to take my $72 and I'm going to multiply by 6% or 0.06 as a decimal. And that's going to give me $4.32. So that's what my tax is, $4.32. Then I have to do it all over again for the 20% tip. So I take my $72 and I multiply by my 20% tip. You can use the percent symbol or 0.20 in your calculator. And you should get $14.40. Again, don't forget about that extra zero. So then my total amount that I have here means I'm going to add them all up. So for my total, I'm going to take the cost of the bill, which is $72. I'm going to add the tax, $4.32, and I'm going to add the tip, which is $14.40. So plug all of that carefully into my calculator, and I should get the total of $90.72. All right, discount. So discount means I'm going to be subtracting. Everything's going to be subtracting. So I'm going to be multiplying by the percent, which I've been doing for all the other problems, but then subtracting instead of adding. So looking at my video game here, I'm going to take 64 and I'm going to multiply by 25%. Or if you want to, as a decimal, that's 0.25. And I should get $16, but I'm not adding that $16. What I'm doing instead is I'm taking the 64 and I'm subtracting because it's a discount. I'm saving this money, subtracting the $16. So when I do that, I get a discount at a lesser price of $48. All right, looking at my television over here, I'm going to multiply by the percent to start, whether that be the percent symbol in my calculator or you could use the decimal, and that's going to give me $2.39. And then once again, because I am, that's not going to give me $2, it's going to be $23.90. Sorry, I read my decimal wrong. Make sure you have that extra zero there. Like before, since it's a discount, I'm going to be subtracting these. So I'm going to take my television costs and subtract out my discount. So that's $239 minus $23, excuse me, and 90 cents. That's going to give me my total for my television, which is $215.10. Don't forget about that extra zero. All right, while shopping at a mall, you find a $55 sweatshirt that's on sale for 40% off. There's 6% sales tax. Find the final cost. Okay, first thing we have to do is find the sale price. So we have to take the $55 and we have to multiply by the 40% off, or 0.40 in your calculator. So that's going to give me $22 off. So I have to take my $55 and subtract $22 to find my sale price. So it's $33 is my sale price of my shirt. Okay. Then I have to find tax. And tax is off of the sale price. So when I find tax, I'm finding 6% of the sale price. So 33 times 6%. Or if you want to use a decimal, it's 0.06. So that's going to give me $1.98 for my tax. Then to find my total, I'm going to be adding these two things together, the sales tax plus the sale price added together. So if I add $33 and my $1.98, it's going to give me $34.98. Okay, we got the last one here, very similar. So the sale price of an item is $14.75. If this amount represents a 50% discount from the original price, what was the original price? So what I would do is I would divide by the decimal. So I would take $14.75 and I would divide by 50%. So if I do that, that's going to give me $29.50. So $29.50 divided by 2 gives me my $14.75. And if you wanted to use the decimal amount, you would do $14.75 divided by 0.50, and you'd end up getting the same answer as well. And a third way you could do this is you could actually use is over of or part over whole. So part of the price is $14.75. I don't know what the whole price was, the original price, but I do know it was 50% out of 100. So remember, that's the is over of equals percent out of 100. So when I cross multiply, I'm going to end up getting 50x is equal to 1475 divided by 50. And you're going to end up getting the exact same answer. So there's a couple different ways you can end up finding the answer to this problem. Okay, but you're going to all get $29.50. Okay, I hope this was helpful. We'll kind of continue on in this manner over the next couple of lessons. Hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye.